It means interstitial is like the space in between things. So the stuff in between the cells. The extracellular matrix is in the interstitial space, but there's more in here. In a tendon or a ligament, not as much that's visible to the eye. You know, the Achilles tendon is going to be like the top of the Achilles tendon, not the bottom. That's very ropey, but near the top, where between the gastroc and the soleus, you'll get this sheath, what we'd call an Ponerosis, which is a flat tendinous piece. And to the eye, it's very white. You can see collagen fibers. Even though there's a bunch of other things, you can't see ground substance because it's microscopic, so it just looks kind of like this, let's just say. You can't see the cells, are microscopic. But in the adipose layer, it's full of adipose in the superficial fascia. So there's all kinds of other stuff in there that you can see. You can see lymph nodes, you can see fat, you can see, blood vessels. If you are trained and you can distinguish the difference between a nerve and a collagen fiber, you can kind of find there's some nerves in there, but all of this takes skill and practice. It's not like so obvious. So that's what interstitial space means.